Two people can earn almost the same income, yet end up living completely different financial lives. Meet Ethan. Nothing in his home looks expensive, but every dollar has a purpose. He cooks at home, plans ahead, and never feels the need to impress anyone. Every year he increases his investments before increasing his lifestyle.
Now meet Ryan. His apartment looks successful the moment you walk in.
New purchases keep arriving, but most of them aren't making him wealthier. They earn similar salaries, but their financial futures couldn't be more different. The difference wasn't one big decision. It was hundreds of small choices repeated every week. Most people don't lose money all at once. It disappears little by little, almost invisibly.
In this video, you'll discover 10 simple habits that quietly build wealth. While everyone else is chasing shortcuts,
real wealth doesn't begin when you earn more. It begins when your money starts moving automatically. Before he buys breakfast, before he pays for entertainment, part of his income is already invested.
the secret isn't constant effort. It's building the system that works even when you're busy.
Ryan's paycheck arrives too, but every dollar waits for a spending decision.
When saving is automatic, wealth grows quietly. When spending comes first, saving rarely happens. Now here's another habit most wealthy people never brag about.
Many people don't buy a car. They buy years of monthly payments.
Every large payment is money that can no longer work for your future. Financial freedom isn't about looking rich. It's about owning your choices.
A modest car today can quietly become hundreds of thousands of dollars tomorrow if you let time do the work. Most fortunes aren't built in boardrooms. They're built in ordinary kitchens. One person spends minutes preparing meals. The other spends hundreds replacing that habit.
Small daily expenses don't feel expensive until years of them are added together. Every meal prepared at home buys something even more valuable than dinner. It buys future freedom.
The next habit has nothing to do with luxury. It has everything to do with peace of mind. Just because a bank approves a bigger mortgage doesn't mean it's the smartest choice. A smaller monthly payment creates something priceless. Financial breathing room.
When unexpected expenses arrive, savings turn panic into a simple inconvenience.
Looking wealthy and feeling financially secure are often two completely different things. Wealth isn't measured by the size of your house. It's measured by the freedom your money gives you. Every wealthy person knows one simple truth. You can't improve what you don't measure. Tracking your money isn't about restriction. It's about understanding where every dollar actually goes.
Most financial leaks don't make headlines. They quietly happen one subscription at a time.
Sometimes building wealth isn't about earning more. It's about stopping unnecessary spending.
Now imagine your income increases. Most people think this is where life gets easier. Before spending a single extra dollar, he increases his investments. One person upgrades assets. The other upgrades expenses. Small raises invested consistently can become life-changing wealth over time.
The greatest financial victories rarely feel exciting in the moment. They simply keep growing.
Long-term wealth isn't built by chasing excitement. It's built by repeating the right habits long after the excitement is gone.
The next habit is surprisingly boring. And that's exactly why it works.
Markets rise, markets fall. Successful investors don't react to every headline.
Time in the market has rewarded patience far more often than perfect timing.
Financial emergencies don't ask for permission. They simply arrive.
Without an emergency fund, unexpected expense can become years of expensive debt.
An emergency fund doesn't make you rich. It protects everything you're already building.
The louder an opportunity sounds, the more carefully you should examine it. Excitement creates stories. Consistency creates wealth.
Real financial success often feels quiet because it's built through discipline, not drama. The people who build lasting wealth usually ignore shortcuts and trust the power of time instead.
The final habit is simple. Never let emotions make expensive decisions.
Give every major purchase at least 3 days before making your final decision.
Every dollar has two choices: buy something today or build something tomorrow. Small decisions repeated for decades create results that look impossible to everyone else. Years later, the rewards aren't just financial. They're emotional. While others continue chasing bigger paychecks, they never escape bigger expenses.
The gap wasn't created in one day. It grew through thousands of ordinary choices.
None of these habits require genius. They only require consistency.
Financial freedom isn't built by one lucky moment. It's built by ordinary decisions repeated for years. Choose just one habit today and stick with it. Years from now, your future self will be grateful you started when you did.